Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into 3 hidden crypto gems that could make you serious cash. These coins are flying under the radar but have the potential to explode in value soon. Unlike meme coins, these projects are backed by solid technology and real-world use cases. They're solving actual problems and could disrupt entire industries. So if you're ready to potentially 10x your money, hit that like button, and let's dive into the first coin. Let's kick things off with Alephium, or ALPH. This innovative blockchain project is making waves in the crypto world. Alephium is tackling one of the biggest challenges in blockchain scalability. Scalability is crucial for the future of blockchain technology, as it determines how well a network can handle an increasing number of transactions. Existing networks like Ethereum are getting bogged down, leading to slow transaction speeds and high gas fees. These issues have been a significant bottleneck for widespread blockchain adoption. Alephium's unique sharding approach splits the blockchain into smaller pieces, allowing up to 10,000 transactions per second. This method not only enhances speed, but also ensures the network remains decentralized and secure. Not only is Alephium fast, but it's also energy efficient with its proof of less work (POLW) consensus mechanism. This innovative approach significantly reduces the energy required for mining, making it a greener alternative. This reduces energy consumption compared to traditional proof-of-work blockchains like Bitcoin. Bitcoin's energy consumption has been a hot topic, and Alephium offers a sustainable solution. The demand for eco-friendly and scalable blockchains is increasing, and Alephium is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. As more people become aware of the environmental impact of blockchain, solutions like Alephium will become more attractive. Right now, Alephium is still relatively undervalued, giving you a chance to get in early. Investing in promising projects at an early stage can yield significant returns. It's like finding a hidden gem in a dusty antique shop. These opportunities don't come around often, so it's worth taking a closer look. So, do your own research, check out Alephium, and decide if it's the right investment for you. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is ever evolving, and staying informed is key to making smart investment decisions. Moving on to our next crypto gem, iExec RLC or RLC. This innovative project is making waves in the tech world. iExec is revolutionizing cloud computing by creating a decentralized marketplace for computing power. Imagine a world where you don't have to rely on giant corporations for your computing needs. Instead of relying on giant corporations, you can rent out your computer's unused processing power and get paid for it. This opens up new revenue streams for individuals and small businesses alike. This has huge implications for fields like AI, big data analysis, and decentralized applications. By decentralizing computing power, iExec is making these advanced technologies more accessible and affordable. iExec has already partnered with big names like Intel, showing its potential. These partnerships not only validate iExec's technology, but also pave the way for future collaborations. RLC is still relatively under the radar, giving you an opportunity to get in early. Early adopters often reap the most significant rewards, and RLC could be a game changer in the crypto space. As more people and businesses use iExec's platform, the demand for RLC will increase, potentially leading to significant price appreciation. The more the platform is adopted, the higher the value of RLC. So, if you're looking for a crypto investment with real-world utility and massive growth potential, iExec RLC is one to watch. Its unique approach to cloud computing sets it apart from other projects. Do your own research, check out their website, and see why this project is generating so much buzz. The future of cloud computing could very well be decentralized, and iExec RLC is leading the charge. Let's talk about the future of the internet, Web 3, and how AI will play a major role. The internet is evolving, and Web 3 represents the next big leap. It's a decentralized version of the web, where users have more control over their data and interactions. But how does AI fit into this picture? Our next crypto gem is LilAI, or LilAI. This innovative project is set to revolutionize how we manage online communities. LilAI merges AI with blockchain technology to provide automated community management tools. This integration allows for seamless and efficient management of online spaces, making it easier for users to interact and engage. Imagine managing online communities with AI chatbots and Web3 automation. These tools can handle a variety of tasks, from moderating discussions to providing instant support, all without human intervention. LilAI takes care of moderating content, organizing events and more, freeing up your time. You can focus on growing your community while LilAI handles the day-to-day operations. As the AI revolution heats up, the demand for projects like LilAI will skyrocket. The combination of AI and blockchain is a powerful one, and it's set to transform how we interact online. LilAI is still a low-cap coin, meaning it has tremendous growth potential. Investing early in such projects can yield significant returns as the technology matures and gains wider adoption. It's like finding a rare Pokemon card early on. The value of LilAI could increase exponentially as more people recognize its potential and start using its innovative tools. Do your own research and make sure LilAI aligns with your investment goals. It's crucial to understand the project and its potential before making any financial decisions. If you're looking for a project at the forefront of AI and blockchain, LilAI is one to watch closely. Its unique approach to community management and automation sets it apart from other projects in the space, making it a promising investment for the future. So there you have it, 3 crypto gems, Alephium, iExec, and LilAI, that could break out soon. Remember, the crypto market is volatile, so always do your own research, before investing. Which of these coins do you think has the highest potential? Let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future crypto deep dives. Thanks for watching, stay informed, invest responsibly, and I'll see you in the next video.